Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin bisque. Start by peeling and seeding the pumpkin, then dice into uniform cubes for even roasting. Chop onion and mince garlic while oven preheats to 400 degrees F. Toss pumpkin with oil and salt, spread on a baking sheet, and roast until caramelized and tender, usually 25 to 35 minutes. Now combine sautéed aromatics with roasted pumpkin and add stock, then simmer gently to marry flavors for 15 to 20 minutes. Use an immersion blender or work in batches in a countertop blender, taking care with hot liquid. Return bisque to the pot, taste for seasoning, and stir in cream for richness and a velvety texture. Keep warm on low heat while you prepare garnishes. Finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning, adding a little lemon juice or maple syrup if needed for balance. For presentation, swirl cream, scatter toasted pumpkin seeds, and sprinkle fresh chives or parsley. Keep texture in mind, thin with stock if too thick or reduce to concentrate flavor. Serve immediately with warm bread and enjoy the comforting aroma and smooth, creamy mouthfeel that makes pumpkin bisque so satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.